The consonant letter Y is pronounced in two ways. In a short way, I, and in a long way, I. The consonant Y is pronounced as a short vowel with the vowel letter ahead of the consonant letter Y, arranged at the end of the word. The consonant Y is pronounced as a long vowel with the consonant letter ahead of the consonant letter Y arranged at the end of the word, like I. So the rule to reveal that the number of the object indicated by the general noun whose spell ends with the letter Y is divided. The first example of a general noun spelled with a vowel and the consonant Y at the end of the word is this: a boy, I, and boys. The example of a general noun spelled with the consonant and the other consonant Y at the end of the word is this: a fly. The letter Y is also classified as a consonant, so we can say that the two consonants L and Y are continuously arranged, and the speakers change the letter Y into the two vowels I and E. The fact that the consonant Y is pronounced like the two continuous vowels. The suffix S is arranged behind the two vowels I and E that replace the consonant Y. The combination of the two vowels I and E is pronounced like the long vowel of Y, I. The distinction for each vowel is helpful for the speakers to recognize the intuitive way to pronounce the word in an accordant way. As soon as the speakers recognize the form of a general noun to indicate the plural object, like flies, the speakers are able to guess the pronunciation with the composition of each letter based on the prior experience to pronounce the general noun. Whether the consonant F is spelled at the end of the general noun determines the way to pronounce the general noun to indicate the plural object either in a smooth or an acute way. A general noun is spelled with the consonant F between the vowel and the other vowel E at the end of the word. The general noun to indicate plural object is pronounced in a smooth way. The speakers change the consonant F of the general noun into the consonant V that is pronounced with a long exhaling that makes the sound smooth. Instead of pronouncing the consonant F, the speakers change the consonant F into the consonant V, which is pronounced when we put the upper teeth on the lower lip in the smooth way. The examples of the general noun spelled with the consonant F between a vowel and the other vowel E to indicate plural objects are these: a wife, that the consonant F is arranged between the vowels I and E. Wives. We can see that the consonant F is changed into the consonant V. And a knife, that the consonant F is arranged between the vowels I and E. Knives, whose consonant F is changed into the consonant V with the soft pronunciation, while revealing the fact that the number of the object indicated by the general noun is plural. The other general noun is spelled with the consonant F at the end of the word. The other general noun to indicate the plural object is pronounced in an acute way. The consonant F and V, with placing the upper teeth on the lower lip, are pronounced in different ways. The speakers pronounce the consonant F in a clear way while exhaling acutely. The speakers pronounce the consonant V in a smooth way while exhaling gently. So the transition of the consonant F to V is effective to make the pronunciation gentle. The speakers arranged the consonant S as the suffix to the general noun whose spelling ends with the consonant F because the speakers might intend to pronounce the general noun acutely. The movement of the lower lip for pronouncing the consonant F to S is applied to mediate the acute way to pronounce the two consonants. The fast movement of the lower lip is helpful to pronounce the two continuous consonants in an acute way. The examples of the general noun spelled with the two continuous consonants F and S to indicate the plural object are these: a roof. This word ends with the consonant F, and roofs, and a tariff, tariffs. A general noun is spelled with a vowel and the other vowel O at the end of the word. The speakers arrange the vowel and the other vowel O in a row. Might intend to pronounce the general noun with a long exhaling. The speakers apply the suffix S at the end of the general noun that is spelled with the vowel and the other vowel O to indicate the plural object. The example of this general noun is this: a radio. The vowel I is arranged ahead of the other vowel O, and radios. That the suffix S is applied right behind the vowels I and O. A vowel E is applied to a general noun that the speakers spell with the vowel O at the end to indicate the plural object. The speakers apply the vowel E to mediate the vowel O that is pronounced with the mouth opened relatively big and the consonant S. The vowel O is pronounced with a mouth opened while we feel ease from the relaxation of our jaw muscles. And the consonant S is pronounced with our teeth are gathered. The consonant S is pronounced with the gathering of the upper teeth and the lower teeth. The speakers might intend to spare some time by mediation of pronouncing the vowel E because the speakers move the muscles of the mouth to gather the teeth to pronounce the consonant S from the opened mouth to pronounce the vowel O. The examples of the general noun to indicate the plural object are these. A potato, potatoes. And a tomato, tomatoes. A general noun is spelled with the vowel O at the end. The speakers apply the suffix s to the general noun to reveal the fact that the number of the object indicated by the general noun is plural. The speakers might intend to pronounce the general noun that is spelled with the vowel O at the end and the consonant s in an acute way. The examples of the general noun are these: a piano, pianos, a photo, photos.